How to fix your phone driver version outdated and there is error in Wuthering Waves game. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can solve this problem of yours. So very firstly you need to go on the setting of your device. After you go on the setting of your device, go to the home page at first. After you go to the home page, when you go till very down, you will see there is very option of about phone where you will get all the informations about your phone, and also you will get the very option of software download. Just tap on the software download and make sure to update your phone. After that, go to the Google Play Store, and on the top search bar you can simply search for Wuthering Waves. After you search for the Wuthering Waves option right here, go and install the option right here. And after you install the option from here, you can simply go and restart your phone, and after you do that your problem should be solved. And also by installing and updating the latest version of Wuthering Waves game on your phone, you can simply open it again and use it as you want to. So that's how you can do it. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.